Hey, it's Joshua, room 5. We just learned to keep one copy close. Now we learn to keep many. The last room was a photocopy on one desk. This wing asks a bigger, scarier question. What if that desk and the whole building burns down tonight?
Picture our library again. One building, one master collection, every book in the world. Two things keep the head librarian awake. The first, 1 million readers want in, and one building has only so many doors. The second is worse. One fire, one flood, one bad night, and every book is gone. There is no other copy anywhere. So she does the only sane thing. She builds more libraries. This is a new idea, but it rhymes with the storm. Back then, a split in the network could cut you off from a copy. Here, the cure and the cause are the same word, copies. Spread them out, and a fire can no longer take all of them, and a crowd can no longer jam one door. So now there are branch libraries all over the city. One of them, the original, is special. It is the only one that accepts new books and edits. We call it the leader. The rest are followers. They do not take edits. They hold copies and they serve readers. You walk into the branch near you, get your book at once, and never travel downtown. But a copy is only as fresh as its last delivery. When a new edition lands at the leader, that change still has to travel out to every branch. Until the van arrives, the branches are a beat behind. That gap has a name we have met before, in a new shape, replication lag. And here is the knife. The leader burns down at midnight. You promote a branch to be the new leader. If you had been shipping every edit the instant it happened, that branch has everything. If you had been shipping copies lazily overnight, then today's last edits never left the fire. They are simply gone. This whole arrangement has a name. Replication, keeping full copies of your data on more than one machine. One machine takes the writes. That is the leader, sometimes called the primary. The copies that follow along are the replicas, the followers. And you do it for two completely different reasons. One, to survive a failure, so that losing a machine does not lose your data or your service. Two, to serve more readers by spreading them across the copies. Hold on to that, because those two reasons will try to trick you. The tool you reach for depends entirely on which one you actually need. Here's the keeper. The principle is yours. Replication is the truth, kept alive in more than one place. It buys two things, surviving failure and serving more readers. And it charges one toll, how long you are willing to wait for the copies. Say it back. Wait for the copy before the write counts as done, and you are safe and slow and you never lose it. That is synchronous. Do not wait, and you are fast, but a crash can lose the tail you had not yet shipped. That is asynchronous. The labels are the stickers. The cloud says multi-A-Z for asynchronous standby, read replicas for asynchronous read scaling, and DynamoDB global tables for copies in every region. And here is where almost everyone trips. Two cloud tools, born from the very same idea, doing opposite jobs. Multi-AZ keeps a second copy in another availability zone. Engineers just say AZ, a separate building on separate power. It is synchronized and asleep. It serves no readers. Its only job is to wake up and take over the instant the leader dies. That is for surviving failure. Read replicas are the opposite. Asynchronous copies you point readers at to take load off the leader. They can be a little stale, and they do not automatically take over if the leader dies. That is for serving readers. Reach for the wrong one, and you have bought a fire exit to handle a crowd, or a bigger lobby to survive a fire. So the exam hands you the job in disguise. The database is drowning under read traffic. You need to serve more readers. Read replicas. Point the reports and the heavy reads at the copies. The database must survive an availability zone going dark and fail over on its own with no lost writes. you need to survive failure. Multi-AZ, synchronous, and global users who must read and write fast on every continent, DynamoDB global tables. Name the goal first, and the service picks itself.
Your turn. Out loud or in your head. I'll wait. An online store. The product pages get hammered by readers all day, and the orders, the actual purchases, can never be lost, even if a whole data center blinks out. Two needs, two tools. What do you put in front of the readers, and what do you put under the orders?
Two jobs, so two tools. The product pages are a read crowd, so you scale them with read replicas, copies built to be read. The orders must survive, so you put them on multi-AZ, a synchronous standby that fails over without losing a single confirmed sale. The same idea, replication, pointed at two different fears. So that is replication, the truth, in more than one place. One leader takes the writes, the followers carry the copies, and you choose how long to wait between safe and fast. Keep it close, because the next room asks the last hard question. What happens when the data is too big for any single leader to hold, and you have to cut it into pieces? One breath to seal it. Replication keeps full copies on more than one machine. A leader takes the writes, the followers carry the copies. It buys two things, surviving failure and serving more readers. Synchronous is safe and slow. Asynchronous is fast and can lose the tail. And the rule that saves you on the exam, name the fear first. Surviving a failure is multi-AZ. Serving a crowd is read replicas. The tool follows the goal.
That is replication. 5 rooms down, and the map keeps growing. I'm Joshua. I'll see you in the next one.